did last night. I meant to tell you, I forgot. I'm just going to see if there's a sandwich.
Yeah.